Q lane, not really a athleisure person anyway, but kind of slap Beyonce's name on it. I'm intrigued now. Hi, welcome to today's video. This was kind of unintentional. I wasn't planning on doing this type of video, but I got the pieces and here we are. Start with a little story time. I have the Adidas app downloaded and I got a notification about Beyonce's new collection was gonna drop. Click here to see a little sneak peek of the pieces. I haven't been keeping up with Beyonce. I really like her music and all that stuff. I know she's been focusing on athleisure wear. I know her first collection, a lot of celebrities were kind of endorsing it and it did sell out. I was like, you know what? I bet this collection will do pretty good too, so let's just kind of window shop, and that's my first problem there. This collection really emphasized on green hues, where I narrowed my focus on the deeper green ones. They were really catching my, like, you know, I'm just gonna add to my cart. And that day Adidas was really emphasizing and, you know, add it to your cart, save your payment method. And you know what, I'm just gonna do that. What could it hurt? I never win these type of things anyway, and I don't know why I'm saying winning, because like nowadays it's so hard to get celebrity name pieces. You're waiting in a long queue lane. Not really a athleisure person anyway, but kind of slap Beyonce's name on it. I'm intrigued now. 3 pieces. I got a bodysuit, a sweatshirt, and some leggings. I thought that would be like a staple outfit. I didn't want to buy a pair of shoes or an overpriced jacket that I absolutely could not see myself wearing. You know, I'm a realistic shopper, right? It's not a big deal if I don't get it, because it's not like, you know, I'm an absolute diehard, need to get these pieces, but I really did think the pieces were cool. And I'm on my phone at work and I just see, you know, the little circle going around. I'll give it 10 minutes tops. And I wanted to say it took like at least 2 minutes. It didn't even take that long. And it went through, my payment was complete, and I was gonna get this order. I was like, how much did I spend today? It was $300. And that kind of hurts my soul, because like $300 is a lot to be spending on 3 pieces that I wouldn't say go with the type of style or, you know, clothing that I choose. I don't even wear athleisure that much, to be honest, but the pieces are really cute and I think it'd be fun just to try and review. Anyway, this is the mesh sleeve bodysuit and I got a size small. This was the first piece that I like. If I could get anything, this is the piece that I wanted. I love the detailing on it, where it's like this high neck collar zip up and then you got like the mesh type sleeve. A picture of the model, like she looks really cool, right? She's got the matching mask, she got the matching socks and everything, and it's this like tall skinny model, editorial, whatever, for the website. I don't feel comfortable just wearing this by itself. It is a little restricting. Trouble wearing the sleeves part. It's just like the body part. I don't know, it looks kind of small in person now, but looking at it, I love the mesh detailing and the big letters on the sleeve, of course. It reminds me of like a really upgraded Letterman's jacket. That's why I kind of gravitated towards it. I decided to try it on. It's got this big zipper, which is nice. I won't feel like if I'm trying to suck myself up. I really like this jacket on. I knew that the arms were going to be my favorite detail about this jacket. Surprisingly, like with this thick wire type material, it's not that uncomfortable. I don't feel like it's super itchy or anything, and you know, it's baggy, but I feel like it still has some shape to it. It cinches to the sleeve, which has a nice, you know, Adidas logo with the lime green color. The bodysuit feels like I have like a scuba suit on, right? I think that's just kind of how it's supposed to be. It cinches in the body like really tight. It would be a lot more comfortable, this garment, if I was a size medium, but everything else feels like comfortable, like the arm. So I'm just gonna unzip this so I could like talk more comfortably. So I mean, this jacket one suit situation, it's still cute with, you know, the neck situation pulled down, but I'm a little disappointed that I can't wear this comfortably. But it's still cute on its own. So I don't know if this collection will still be available, if I can like swap the sizes. Maybe I'll have to find someone to swap with me. But I really do like this jacket. It is a really unique piece. For the price I'm paying for it, I think, yeah, it's up there, but you don't really find too many athleisure pieces like that, which makes it part of this, you know, unique Beyonce experience. Size small is definitely not the size for me. I'm about 5'6", almost like 140 pounds, and I don't think this gives me enough stretch, even though I don't think it's supposed to be a stretchy garment, but if I sized up, I think this would be it. I do end up really liking this piece, so let's move on to the next garment. So moving on, the second piece I got is the cargo sweatshirt, and this is considered a gender neutral piece. And this was the most expensive item out of the haul, $100, and I got a size small. So the reason why I got a size small is because it's gender neutral. I'm guessing it's a little bit baggier. It looked baggier in the picture. She kind of wore it as like a dress. This is a lot longer than I anticipated. I don't know if my camera will pick it up. I definitely feel like, yeah, you could wear leggings underneath it, but you could wear this as a dress. Material feels really thick. Like, this is definitely gonna keep me warm. And then you got this big pocket. I was like, that'd be dumb if I paid that much and the pocket was not real. So it's a Velcro pocket and it opens up. So I could probably, like, if I'm lounging around, I could store snacks in here. Or I guess you could carry your phone. It still has like the Ivy Park writing on the sleeve, which is beautiful. And it has like the 3 lines for Adidas. So that's some nice extra detailing. It's a lot bigger than I thought. I'm so surprised. So I guess we'll see how it looks tried on. You know what this also reminds me of? Like a hockey player's uniform in a way. Runway hockey player. We are on to the second piece, the gender neutral sweatshirt. This is like a whole 180 compared to the bodysuit. Obviously, this is supposed to fit a guy as well. It definitely is a bigger fit, especially for a size small. I underestimated how big it would be. I would say this is definitely comfortable. I feel warm in this. The sleeves are long on me. I'm wearing this as a dress. There's no shape to it. Since it's so large, I feel like it's a boxier shape. There's different detailings on the arms. It goes from the embroidered name to like embroidered stitching on the elbow sleeve, and then it goes to the 3 stripes. I'm not used to seeing myself in these type of garments, so it's really unique and different. I like it, but I'm just not used to it. Yeah, there's like a lot of room, so you could definitely fit a couple of things in here. Athleisure wear is, you know, not really my style, but I just really like the colors of this. I don't know how I would wear it as a dress in a way, but you know, with leggings I can see it being like a regular casual look. But yeah, definitely thick material. And I definitely can breathe in this one. The last piece of this haul is the mesh 3 stripes tights, and these retail for $85. The leggings in my cart because I was like, it has to have a complete outfit. This was definitely really interesting in the picture. Beyonce modeled it. It looked like a pair of shorts in the back as well. It wasn't my favorite style. I'll just kind of say my thoughts when I try it on, but I got a size medium. I could confidently say medium probably is my size for my bottom half. Look like. It's like I wish like it didn't cut off at this part. I don't know how I feel about it, but the mesh detailing is really cool. There is like the dark 3 stripes going down, which I didn't notice in the online picture. So that's a really cool detailing. And it has Ivy Park printed on the back, which feels nice. Now that I have these leggings in my hand, I wouldn't say this is my favorite material. I wish these were a little bit softer. I'm not trying to knock it from the get-go, seeing as, you know, the legging style isn't my personal favorite, and you know, I didn't know what type of material I was gonna get in person. See how everything kind of pairs together. All right, let's move on to the leggings. I bet Beyonce would probably give me side eye for talking about how rough her leggings felt. Like initially in my hands, it felt like a really stiff material. I didn't know if I wanted to put it on my body. It was gonna be a struggle, right? But now that I have these leggings on, I could say otherwise. They feel really comfortable on my body, and it has some stretch as well. I'm genuinely surprised. Online, it looked really transparent on her, that and it was gonna be cold. You know how some leggings have these like mesh type cutouts? It just feels really bare and skinny because like it's supposed to show your skin. But these are like thick. They're really thick. I don't feel cold at all, and I'm generally surprised how covered it is as well. I really like these for some reason. I got a size medium, and it's the perfect size in my opinion. Out of everything, these leggings exceeded my expectations. Like I said, I wasn't really feeling all the type of mesh cutouts. The boy short style in the back, it looks and feels a lot different in person. And they really feel nice on the body. So I give this pair of leggings a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in this try-on surprise haul. I didn't know what to expect with this collection. Obviously, I haven't ever tried on any athleisure wear this expensive, especially a celebrities line. So I definitely was surprised at some of the pieces compared to how they look online and definitely how they feel in person. I normally don't review pieces this high. If you like me reviewing clothing hauls, I do a bunch of different ones on my channel. So if you like this kind of thing, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe because I do a lot of talking, ramble, and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, thanks for tuning in.